Hi guys, my name is Kristie and I am the EMU Australia factory manager here. I've been with the company for just over 13 years but managing the factory for 4 years, which is probably my favourite role so far.
How long does a shoe take to make?
So from start to finish, clicking being the first process, then going through the sewer's hands. Sometimes it can take a day, sometimes it can take 2 days, just depending on how and whatever else is going through the room.
How many shoes can you make in a day?
So roughly we make anywhere between 200 to 300 shoes, depending on if it's a slipper or a boot going through the room.
How many hands makes one shoe?
Over 15.
How many shoes have you made with EMU?
So in my 4 years being the factory manager, I think anywhere between 180,000 to 200,000 pairs.
What's your favourite Oz-made shoe to make?
The Platinum Mintaro.
Platinum Mintaro. Platinum Stinging Darling.
Probably the Platinum Outback Scuff.
Platinum Mintaro.